This is a HPI E-Savage, the first electric Savage, 110 scale. Baja. We'll find out what upgrades you can get for it. I know that you can get longer arms, and a chassis I think you can get, make it into an 8 scale. Not sure if the 1/5 scale chassis will fit, but I'm sure there'll be a way to make it fit. Still brushed at the moment. I found out I'm going to have to shim up the diffs for a bit more power, and the drive shafts won't last. So I have to put some dog bones in there. But we'll see how these diffs hold out. I don't know how you go about dropping the flux ones in. Might be drop straight in, I don't know. I very much doubt it. They say that Offner diffs fit in there somehow. I might rip up my Hyper 7 and put a diff in this one. Just go as we go. Try and put a LiPo battery, 3S LiPo battery on the brush system. See if that works. I'm not worry about the LiPo cutoff thing. Just the battery I got left from my Mini Revo. So there's no system in it anymore. Had to sell it to get this. Well, we'll see how it goes. I'll make a bit of run. Batteries are dead, but I'm trying to bring them to life.